push it down and go backwards. Push it down. There you go. Straighten the wheel, turn the wheel. Go, no, go, go. His little head.
Whiplash.
Turn right, turn right, turn right. There you go. All right, right. No, go straight.
He likes moving in and out reverse.
Like, reverse.